Dear students, today's video is on IELTS writing. It is on a line chart. Every alternate Fridays, I make videos on charts. To see the videos I made earlier, you can visit my channel Excellence the Ideal Class. Before we start today's video, first let me tell you, in IELTS you have to write your graphs in around 150 to 170 words in 20 minutes in 3 to 4 paragraphs. And the pattern is, in the first paragraph you write the introduction, what the chart shows. After that, in the second and third paragraph, the report, main features, main comparisons. And in the last paragraph you have to write the overall, the key or the main points. You can also write overall in the second paragraph and then the report in the third and the fourth paragraph. It does not matter which pattern you follow. Now coming to today's video, let us see the question. The line chart shows the income and sales of a company from 2014 to 2024. So this is a chart that is showing two things about a company, its income or earning and sales, and the time period is 10 years. Now I give you some time to copy this question on a paper with you, so that when we read the sample answer, you understand things properly and clearly. In the first paragraph, we always write the introduction like I have written. The line chart illustrates the earnings and sales of a company between 2014 and 2024. Illustrate means shows, and you can also write over a decade. In place of between 2014 and 2024, decade means a period of 10 years. After that, we have to write the report, but before that we have to do planning. First we decide the tense, here it is past, then data. It is of sales and earnings, which is given in lakhs. Then starts the main planning, the main features, main comparisons. Now this is a year-wise chart, so we will start with 2014. The first main point is that in 2014, the income of the company was 4 lakhs and it was double of the sales. After that it increased till 2016, then remained stable. But in case of sales, there was an increase, but they could not increase much. So this is what I have written. As per the line chart, in 2014, the income of the company, that was 4 lakhs, was precisely, which means exactly, twofold, which means double, of the sales, and grew to 10 lakhs in 2016, remaining stable till 2018. But the sales could reach only 6 lakhs by 2018. Now you can read it, but read it carefully. Especially see the way I have framed my sentences, the connectivity in them. If you learn to bring connectivity in few words, in few sentences, you can cover all the important points. And after that you can see the language, the vocabulary I have used. When you are writing, be careful with vocabulary. If you are not sure about a word, please do not write it. Now after that we will write what happened after 2018. In case of earning, you can see there was a regular increase, quite a steep increase. But in case of sales, the trend was different. First they decreased, then increased. This is what I have written. Moving to the remaining years post 2018, which means after 2018, earnings experienced a steep rise. You can also write a sharp rise to their maximum of 14 lakhs in 2024. However, the sales decreased to 4 lakhs, their lowest figures in 2020, but recovered soon, increasing to their peak of 10 lakhs in 2024. Now you can take some time to read it carefully. See the way I have framed my sentences, the connectivity in them. That will help you to write everything in less words in few sentences. And after that you can see the language, the vocabulary. When you are writing, be careful with vocabulary because people make a lot of mistakes there. If you are not sure about a word, please do not write it. In the last paragraph, we always write the overall, the main points. The first main point of this chart is that this company made a very good progress. From 4, its income increased to 14 lakhs. And it was always more than the sales, which had a more fluctuating trend. This is what I have written. Overall, the company showed good progress as its income escalated, which means increased significantly, and was greater than the sales in all the years, which had a fluctuating trend. Now you can take some time to read this paragraph. Dear students, this is just a sample graph, but the kind of graphs that appear in the real exam are done in the class with much more detailed explanation and a higher level language because those things need time. But I made a video with detailed explanation of graphs. It is video number 17. You can see it on my channel, Excellence the Ideal Class. Writing an IELTS graph is a little serious but quite an easy job. There are certain things you have to take care of. There is a lot of planning that goes into IELTS writing before you write and while writing as well. And you have to make sure that whatever you are writing, there is a sense, there's connectivity, good language, and you have to be very careful about the vocabulary. Then when you are writing your charts or graphs, there has to be some kind of symmetry, a pattern. Like in case of this chart, first we wrote about sales and earnings up to the year 2018 and then from 2018 to 2024. Sometimes this is what students are not told about and do not get the right guidance. So in case you want right guidance to help you prepare well for your IELTS exam and improve your writing otherwise as well, you can join my class. I have given my contact at the beginning. You can also subscribe my channel, Excellence the Ideal Class. I hope that you find this video useful and informative and have got some clarity that what you should do when you are writing your charts or graphs and the things that you should avoid. All the very best for your exam preparation and thank you very much for watching this video.